Hey, my name is Scotty and thanks for joining me in this sketching tutorial where I'm going to draw this reference with only one line. I'm going to try to with this fountain pen. So this is a really great technique to loosen up a little bit. We're going to start from the top and then make our way down, sketch in one line, then add a wash at the end. Okay, let's see how it goes. So we'll start at the top here. I'm holding my fountain pen very loosely. You can use any pen, by the way. You don't need to use a fountain pen. Just trying out my new toys. Okay, there's plenty of ink coming out. So I'm going to make my way around the main shape of his head here. And then come in here for the eyebrows. Maybe I'll do the other eyebrow before I get carried away with that eye, so I can make sure they're all equal. Okay, so I can see the other point on the other side is about the right distance apart. Making my way down to the nose. And then I can go to the other eye. Most important thing is that the eyes are about the right distance apart. Okay. This is his moustache. Around that ear. I want to get over to the other side, so make my way around. Well, it was a very detailed one-line sketch. I haven't ever done one this detailed. I don't think. Let's get some black in here, so that's the edge of his head there. If you're getting a bit rigid, this is a great exercise. Breaks you free from all that stiffness. Okay, there we go. Sketched out all of the shapes. This is a number 6 Winsor Newton cotton round brush, and I've got some wash. Need a bit more. Got my ultramarine and add a bit of burnt sienna at the top. Okay, I'm leaving a little bit of white for the bottom here. Okay, before that dries, I notice he's got very pink ears. So we'll get the rose and we'll try and get it down. I don't think this is dry yet. Add a bit in there, that works. Just wherever I think there's pink. Okay, now cerulean blue. Okay. That around. Okay, as I go around, I'm adding a bit of the ultramarine. Okay, add some moustache in. Okay, he's coming to life now. And how about some lines here too? Add lots of nice interest. Okay, so I've mixed some violet here, very light violet. It's light enough. And now we're going to add some shadows. You can use another color. Big obvious shadows in a photo like this is great. Top of the lip there, then underneath the lip here, the neck is full of shadows here. So it's quite dark here and around here. Gave it a bit more depth. So now we'll wait for that to dry and then I'll go in with my Posca marker to add all the highlights. Okay, I've got my fine tip Posca marker. So it's got really nice white that will go over the top. Okay, so now I like that there's a little bit of a white rim here. There's some silver hair, there's a little bit here too. So we can see the highlight on the nose. There's little highlights over his little, and his lip has one. Some more. So we can go in and add just a little bit of a pupil here. And there we go. So that was a really fun, loose challenge to do. Very quick. It did suit this reference because there was so many different lines and wrinkles that we could follow compared to my other tutorial that I did where it was quite a smooth face. So that would be a bit more difficult to make that work. So I recommend having a go at doing that kind of sketching every now and again. It will help loosen up your sketching. If you want the full version, as usual, I put it onto Patreon. Thank you to all my supporters there. Really appreciate you supporting this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.